The celebratory mood following the TTAADC election results was marred by violence late Friday evening as a Tipra Motha supporter was allegedly targeted in a targeted attack in a Kalabagan area. The victim alleged that a beer bottle was hurled at him from the premises of the BJP candidate's house, causing a leg injury. According to reports, the victim, identified as Barma, a dedicated supporter of the Tipra Motha party, was returning home after participating in the victory celebrations of Barma, the newly elected representative of the 17th Mandai-Pulinpur constituency. As reached the Kalabagan area, he was reportedly ambushed by a group of miscreants. Witnesses and local sources claim that the attack originated from the vicinity of the residence of Barma, the BJP candidate for the Jirania constituency. The victim alleged that a beer bottle was hurled at him from the premises of the BJP candidate's house, causing a leg injury. The authorities have urged supporters of all political parties to maintain restraint and respect the democratic process as the state moves past the counting phase.
Abo ang nogo tongtoti kisap khorang khana haro. Yang sini ang bagar di kholota. Angke tamung laikane ang bo phaimani. Khorang khana wo. Angke borok dol thanglai angke ang bo thangkata logi wo. Angke abo logi thangman ayengni je a building ni yang tola ka botol sisi khitar abo khitar maka sengsai simaya ko. Bo building abo ke bo jaga. Abo to tak to school public school Tipra public school abo angke aingni aku photo ka botol sisi khitar man saimang khata angke khitari saimane ne yakungo kosa thang kita tini khanama to chaijun da pajon bukumaman to angke to baka yang ni temasa dol tongo binbung ka samul de barma bo doktor thangja tabuk tamni bagi khitar ja abo khanamani angke angke to pulla to kusi tabo khorang khanai si phaimani angke buidol thanga ka tamung laikane naina thangmanta angke abo om hayengan ne ambo wan sugya tabo ke sini borok om hay keng man ang sajak le ata bo to sin bukung baram bile angke to lama wono angke bo ke building sakani sin kita thokata a building no bo jaga ni kung ta jaga angke Kalabagan sabuni no ka building abong ka opposite department bodam